Skin Soul just sent me another skincare box. I have worked with this brand, but again, it's a gifted collab, not a pay collab. So they're basically a skincare brand that have different skincare products, and they randomly send you different skincare products. And they do have a website where you can go on and you can shop for different skincare products. Honestly, I didn't pick this product. They just randomly sent me a box of product. Like I said, it is a gifted collab, which means they gift me stuff and I have a choice to make a video if I want to, or don't make a video. But I choose to make a video because guess what? I put my girls on and I want them to have the best of best, and I don't want them to follow trends. So here we go. Here I have this mini tune. I really don't know what this is. It's in this case mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. So maybe we're just gonna open it together because right now your girl is confused of what is in here. Let's see. Ooh, can you see? This looks like a skin booster device. I have never owned one of this and I am loving this. Oh my god, this is the brand right here. This looks so fancy. Oh, it's counting down. I don't know what that means. I guess your girl has to read the manual to know what's going on here. But this is the device and it has this little thing. I think this is the charging cord. I know it's definitely, yep, it's supposed to be charged. It has, hold on, this is the manual, but we all know nobody reads this manual things. We literally don't read it, but I know it needs to be charged. So this is the charger. It came with the charger and it came with this cute bag. So I guess this is where you will put it after using it. I don't think this is actually sanitized. You put it in this bag. Oh, I think there's something in there. Oh, it's just this. So I guess when you want to travel, you just take this, and this is the charger port underneath. So I'll just put this in here, my charger and the cord. When I'm ready to make this video, I will definitely do my research and come back and show you. But that's not the only product I received in this package. I also got their 3D Booster Max Gel, which I think this might be what you use with that. And obviously I need to check my ingredient list. Again, glycerin is really not in the skincare product, which is cool. I do not knock things down because there's no glycerin, but we're gonna see it. This is how it looks out of the box, which is like a normal cream. I won't be able to tell you anything till I try it. And well, that's all what I received from this gifted collab. I'm definitely gonna come back with a video because I have never used a product like this. This box is so cute. I've never used a product like this, so I'm definitely excited to use it in my routine. And I always wanted a little, since Medicube didn't want to send it to me, a brand did. Not clocking their tea, but that's fine. We're definitely gonna try it and we'll see what happens and how our skin reacts to it. And thank you Quatera for actually sending me this product. And I'll definitely be coming back with a review because maybe my first time using something, I gotta know how I feel about it. With that being said, my name is Raisa. If you like content like this, skincare, I'm your go-to girl. I'll see you in the next video.